this kitchen garden was a lot smaller, and it was all made out of wood. So this was a summer project this year, and I've got two more little beds to finish. But so yeah,
Yeah. And how
it's
long is
amazing.
okay, kitchen garden, market garden, that makes sense.
Yeah,
That's what y'all basically use for your kitchen.
yeah. So yeah, we're going to walk out there. Kathy will want to see everything out there in just a minute. But primarily, I mean, the kitchen garden is really something that it's the stuff you use every day. It's your herbs, the vegetables you use all the time. And this one is 21 feet by 65 feet, I think, the whole thing. That is enough space most of the time to provide for my wife and I. We can grow almost everything we need in that space, and that includes some medicinal herbs as well.
Yeah. Wow.
So it doesn't take a lot of space to grow an amazing amount of food for your family. Um,
Got it. I mean, I would not have guessed that. I think you do see people on YouTube, for instance, growing like enough food for their family for a year, and I look out and I'm like, that's overwhelming.
Mm-hmm.
Like,
oh
especially
yeah,
for someone new, and then you just think, well, what's the point? And then to see somebody say, oh no, like that really provides a good amount of our food this space.
it
That's
does.
encouraging
It
to
does.
me. 'Cause I'm like, I can do that,
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.